Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In this video, I am going to discuss your one important topic of chapter 5, that is increment and decrement operator. So many output questions are based on this topic. So I have made a separate video on this topic for you. That is increment and decrement operator in Java. So let's start increment and decrement operator of Java. Plus plus and minus minus are called increment and decrement operator in Java. Both are unary operator because it requires only one operand. For example, a plus plus or plus plus a, or a minus minus or minus minus a. Here a is the only one operand, so it is called unary operator. Now increment operator. Increment operator plus plus increases the value of an operand by 1. It adds 1 to its operand. So plus plus a or a plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1. It adds 1 to its operand. For example, here I have taken a variable a of type integer. A is equal to 11. Then I have used the increment operator plus plus a. After this, the value of a is increased by 1, and then after I have printed the value of a. So initially a is equal to 11, and then after the plus plus a, the value of a is equal to a plus 1, that is 12. So output of a is 12. Now decrement operator. Decrement operator minus minus decreases the value of an operand by 1. It means it subtracts 1 to its operand. Minus minus a or a minus minus means a is equal to a minus 1. It decreases 1 to its operand. Now again example, a is equal to 1 and minus minus a means after this the value of a is a minus 1, that is 11 minus 1, that is 10. So it prints the final output a is equal to 10. The increment and decrement operator may either precede or follow the operand. They precede or follow the operand. So they come in two variety. First one is called prefix increment or decrement operator, and second one is called postfix increment and decrement. I am explain one by one. Prefix increment and decrement operator. When increment or decrement operator are applied before the operand, they are known as prefix operator. Before the operand, see this example, plus plus a. Plus plus is just before the operand a. Minus minus a. Minus minus is just before the operand a. So this operator is called prefix increment or decrement operator. This operator works the principle of change then use. Keep in your mind, change then use. It means first it change the value of this operand. First it change the value of their operand and then use the new value in the expression. For example, int p is equal to 5. Initially p is equal to 5. Then I have taken expression p is equal to plus plus p into 4. Here it first increase the value of p by 1 before the operation. So p is used as 6. Here p is used as 6. Initially it is 5, but plus plus p means change the use. First is change the value of 5. So 5 plus 1, it is 6. So here he uses 6. 6 into 4, that is 24. So the final output of p is 24. the another example. Int q is equal to 1. Initially q is equal to 1, then expression is t is equal to minus minus q into 4. Before operation, it decreases the value of q by 1. So q is equal to q minus 1, that is q, the value of q is now 10. So after operation, the final result of t is 40. This is prefix. Change then use, keep in your mind. Now postfix increment or decrement operator. When increment or decrement operator are used after the operand, they are called as postfix operator. After the operand. For example, a plus plus or a minus minus. The plus plus and minus minus is after the operand a. So this is postfix increment or decrement operand. This operator works on the principle of use then change. Use then change. The last one is change then use. Here use then change. First use the value and then change it. It means first it use the value of their operand in evaluating expression and then change the value of the operand. For example, int p is equal to 5. And then expression is p is equal to a plus plus into 4. It first uses the value of a, that is 5, and then it multiply with 4. First uses the value of 5. So it first multiply 5 into 4. The final output is of p is 20. After the operation, the value of a is increased by 1, that is 6. Another example, q is equal to 11. Int q is equal to 11. The expression is t is equal to q minus minus into 4. Here also the first it uses the value of q, that is 11. Uses the value of q, that is 11. So it first multiply 11 with the 4, that is 11 to 4, 44. And after that it increase the value of q by minus 1. So the final value of q after this expression is 10. So this is the postfix expression. Here use then change. Now I have discussed some question and answer based on this postfix and prefix operator. The first question is evaluate x is equal to plus plus y plus 2 into y if y is equal to 6. So solution is initially y is equal to 6 here, and as per our expression x is equal to plus plus y plus 2 into y. Here we have used prefix version of y, plus plus y. It means first change then use. So our value is 6, then first it change, increase by 1. So plus plus y is 7, and after this y becomes 7. So the final one is 7 plus 2 into 7. So 7 plus 14, the final result is 21. Keep in your mind, not use 2 into y is equal to 6, because after the prefix increment the value of y is changed and it is 7. So don't use 6 in the place of 2y. Okay. Now the second question is give the output a is equal to 0. Give the output of this question. Here int a is equal to 0, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 40. A is equal to minus minus b plus c plus plus b. Now the same way here the prefix operators are used, minus minus b and plus b, but one time it is minus minus and again it is 5. So initially a is equal to a, b is equal to 10. So a is equal to minus minus b, means first change the value, decrease the value 10 to minus. So first we use at the place of minus minus b 9 plus c, the value is 40 is okay, plus then plus b. Again we have to increase the value of b. So initially now b is 9. After that expression b is equal to 10, and the value inside the b is also 10. So finally the output is 59. So student, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.